You know, so when an angler thinks about the line of outboards that Mercury has to offer, it's really pretty impressive. And I want to take a little bit and talk about the Pro XS lineup, but I want to break down a couple options that you can add to the Pro XSs to make them perform. But before I do that, I think one of the things that a lot of people know about this Pro XS is how cool it sounds when you fire it up. So it just puts a smile on your face when you fire it up. Sounds like a sports car just firing up. But on top of that, there's two things specifically that really, as far as options, I want to have you look at. And one's going to be the digital throttle system. And when you're going forward, you're moving forward. There's no cables to get into gear. When you're going in reverse, it's all instant. Something that a lot of people who might have had those V6 supercharged Verados in the past are familiar with. So look at the digital throttle. The last thing, and I think one of the things I love most about an option for the Pro XS, is the electric hydraulic power steering, but it is absolutely available for these Pro XS V8s. And what that allows you to do is basically turn the steering wheel of these big outboards with one finger, right? Very, very simple to drive the boat. And especially in rough water, you're not getting fatigued. So the Pro XS, all the attributes to it are phenomenal, but when you're looking at putting it on a new boat or maybe repowering to a Pro XS, definitely pay attention to putting a digital throttle and that electric power steering on as well too, because it's going to turn that Pro XS into not just a phenomenal outboard, but one that's great in every single application that you might choose.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.